with yet another update. After the last update, I realized that the app really didn't have that much to offer. The prizes weren't set. It really just needs a lot of work still. So I set to work designing a new feature, and we're going to talk about sitebucks. So I thought it was a good idea to create this thing called sitebucks and give users 100 free sitebucks whenever they enter their email and sign up to play your game here. So I figure 100, and I worked on the gambling system a little bit. So you see it's one sitebuck per play. So users have to enter an email address and submit. And when they submit, it's connected to a relational database. So the email address is being stored in a database table via a PHP script. So now that you've signed in with your email address, you see that you've got 100 sitebucks, and it's one sitebuck per play. Click here to spin the wheel. So let's go ahead and spin the wheel, and I've got this quarter spinning.
You got it.
Sound effect, and then the "you got it" sound effect is going to play whenever you win money, and how much you win is going to be displayed up here at the top. So now the button shows back up, and we'll spin it again. I've got the button disappearing so that users can't press it a whole bunch of times and foul the program up. So okay, you lost 5 sitebucks. So whenever you lose, you're going to get that sound effect. So there's some emotion behind winning and losing. So there we go. We got 98 sitebucks. Let's see what's going on. Spinning, spinning, spinning. Sound effects. You lost. Okay, now I was thinking about how this is going to work, and you know, I'm not going to be able to send an AJAX call to the database every time the user clicks to update the sitebucks. So I'm thinking that it's going to be something that I'm going to have to do periodically, and I'm not sure yet, but I'm thinking I could either initialize a save button and let users manually save their sitebucks into the database, or I was potentially thinking about creating a click counter and counting the clicks, and then every so often automatically send in the saved data on the sitebucks to the database, sort of behind the scenes without the user knowing. And the other thing I was thinking about doing too was making a save, like a little pop-up, so that when users log out, they get a notification before they close the tab to save their sitebucks, or they're going to lose them. Okay, now sitebucks are free to start with. They're nothing. They're just virtual currency.
You got it.
And you can translate them into pretty much whatever you want. So if we create a little gambling system here where they make enough free sitebucks that they can sort of stay ahead a little bit in the gambling, and then maybe they can accumulate a few, then they can translate into discounts on your products and services, or, well, I mean, that's pretty much my main idea. You know, you can use them for discounts, and then, you know, you don't have to necessarily be able to pay for all your stuff. You sort of want to balance it, I'd think, between wanting the customer to come out of pocket a little bit, but you want to give them something attractive. And it would be cool if they could sit around and gamble and maybe run a couple of thousand clicks on your website and get some free sitebucks, and then decide that they want to take their free sitebucks and spend some cash with you for your products and services. So this just sort of grew off of a conversation that I had in one of my chatbot groups. I'm not sure I'm going the right way, but I didn't get as much instruction last night from Rianne as I'd hoped. So I wanted to continue working on the PHP, and this is just sort of where it went. So if you have any suggestions, or if you think I'm going the right way or the wrong way, just let me know, and I'll make some adjustments in my battle plan here.